Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so we've got this question right here where we've been given a curve and the value of x, okay? And they want us to find equation of the tangent. So the first thing that you must understand, when they say tangent, you must find first the gradient. So what is the gradient here? We're going to differentiate. So we shall say dy dx, okay, of this right here will be equal to 1 minus 4 over x power 2. Okay, so what we've just found right now is the gradient. So after finding this gradient, or maybe let me just go through a little bit for the people who are struggling to understand, those who don't know what I've done. Let me just go through a little bit. So what I've done here is I've gotten this given curve, which is y is equal to x plus 4, and then changed this to this, okay, power -1. You see the way I've written it? So here we know that there is a power 1. Using the laws of indices, it went up and this changed. It was positive, the power here, it was +1. Now it's -1. And when finding the derivative, we look at the powers. So the power which is here, it's power 1. So we multiply this power by the number that is in front. It will give us a 1. And then we subtract a 1. So it will be 1 minus 1, which will give us a power 0. And power 0 will give us a 1. Okay? And then we come to this one. This -1 times a 4, it will give us a -4. This power, we subtract a 1, we're going to get x power -2, like that, okay? Now we can put it back, okay, like this. We don't want to have a negative power, so we can rewrite it like this, whereby this with a negative power goes down, becomes a denominator, like it is right here. So what you can say here is that we found the gradient. Okay, we found the gradient. So the next thing that we need to do here is to just say, okay, what is our m? We know that gradient is noted using letter m. So we write a 1 minus a 4 there, this 4. Where there is x, we substitute the value of 4. Okay, if you are given the coordinates, let's say you've been given 2, 3, when you do this point, you just come and get the x value and substitute it. Lucky we are, we've been given already the value of x, which is equal to what? To a 4. So we shall just get this 4 and substitute it here. It will be 4 power 2. And when we work it out further, this whole thing will give us this. Okay, it will give us 1 minus 1 over 4, which is equal to what? To a 3 over a 4. Okay, when we simplify this, we're going to get a 3 over 4. This is our gradient. This is a gradient which we need to work with. Remember, when they say tangent, for the tangent, use the same gradient to find the equation. Okay, so we shall maintain this gradient. Our gradient in this case, it's what? It's so let me write it here. M is 3 over 4. We will maintain it. So the other thing that we need to find, it's the coordinates of the point. We have a 4. We've been given a 4. So the other coordinate will be equal to a 5. So it will be 4, 5. Now, how did I know that I'm supposed to have a 5 here? I must go back to the given curve. So y is equal to x plus a 4 over x. The original curve, I substitute 4. So 4 plus 4 over 4. So this will give us a 4 plus a 1, which is equal to a 5. Because this 4 into 4, it's 1. Okay? This is how we are finding the coordinates. Okay? So now, once we get those coordinates, we now use equation of finding formula for finding equation of a straight line. This one. You can either use this one or use this one. So whichever you are comfortable with. Okay? Whichever you're comfortable with is what you go with. If you want, you can go by this one or by this one. Okay? So now, in the comment section below, please could you comment which equation should we, or which formula should we use? The first one or the second one? Which one should we use? Okay, let me go by the first one. So the first one here, we know that this is our x value, y value, and the gradient. So we just substitute. Our y value, it's a 5. Gradient, it's 3 over 4. The x value, it's a 4 plus a c. This and this will give us a 1 there. So we shall have a 5 is equal to 3 plus c. We group the like terms. 5 will be c will be equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to a 2. So the value of c is equal to a 2. After doing that, we just go back. You say y is equal to 3 over 4 x plus a 2. We know that a c is equal to a 2. This is our value, or this is the answer. You can either leave your answer like this, or if you want, there's no problem if you leave it like this, or if you want, you simplify it further, you make it look like this by multiplying both sides by the denominator, which is a 4. So you can either leave your answer like this or like this. It's fine. Thank you for watching. This has been Isichamba Jacob, and bye-bye.